Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how crucial it is to secure your assets. Today, I'm walking you through a complete guide on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Trezor Safe 5 hardware wallet. This step-by-step process will help you keep your funds safe from online threats, especially with the latest updates making it even more straightforward. First, ensure your Trezor Safe 5 is fully set up and updated to the 2025 firmware. This step is vital for compatibility and top-notch security features. Head over to the Trezor website or app to check for any updates and complete the setup if you haven't already. Next, log into your Coinbase account. Make sure two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled. It's a game changer for preventing unauthorized access. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, switch to your Trezor device. Open the Trezor suite or your preferred wallet interface and generate a receive address for the specific crypto. For instance, if you're transferring BTC, select Bitcoin and copy the address to your clipboard. Double-check it to avoid any typos. That's a common pitfall. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section for your chosen asset. Paste the Trezor address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including network fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain speeds, fees are often lower, but always confirm. Before you hit confirm, take a deep breath and verify everything one last time. Once you proceed, Coinbase will process the transaction, and you'll receive a confirmation email. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes to an hour. Finally, once the transfer is complete, open your Trezor wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. If all looks good, congratulations, you've successfully moved your crypto to a secure offline wallet. Remember, security is key in crypto. Always use hardware wallets like Trezor to keep your private keys offline. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.